In this video, you learn how to get your OpenAI or ChatGPT API key. So let's get started. First off, you have to navigate to platform.openai.com. So once you're here, you have to log in or sign up. But if you already have an ChatGPT account, you can just simply log in with this button in the top right. And you can just log in as usual. So once you're logged in, you will see this home screen and you can navigate to the top right and click on Start Building. Right here you have to create an organization. So for this example, I'll type in Howpedia. What best describes you, you have to select how technical you are. For me, I will click on Somewhat Technical. Click on Create Organization. For this, I'll click on I'll invite my team later. And here it will say make your first API call, and I will just leave this on the default text that it says, and then you can click on the bottom and click on Generate API Key. And there it is. There is an API key that we've just generated on the OpenAI platform. So if you found this helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like.